What's good, Creative Fam? Brandon Washington here, and if you saw yesterday's Motivational Monday, you know exactly where I am. But if you didn't, it's gonna be a great day. So we are currently walking to our location. As you guys saw, and as you probably saw from yesterday's Motivational Monday, we are checking out this amazing abandoned prison. Today's special guest, actually I'll let him introduce himself.
Theo Moore Photography. And we're going to this place built in 1907, closed down in 2011. We're gonna get some pretty good shots out here.
I brought Sticks with me because he always helps me get those amazing behind-the-scenes shots. Almost every time you see me on this YouTube channel where there's like a dope shot and I'm actually in the frame, y'all can thank Sticks for getting those shots. So definitely go check him out on his YouTube. I'll have all the links below, and I'll have links to Theo's Instagram down below. But we got to finish this long trek so we can finally get to this spot. It's about he says like a mile. I don't believe it. We have officially made it into the prison now, and as you guys can see, this place is completely abandoned, completely torn up. And sorry for that audio because it echoes like crazy in here, but we just trying to get some dope visuals. But I mean, just look at this place. There's so many spots to shoot, I don't even know where to get started. Actually, I think I just found the perfect spot. This door?
No,
oh, this one?
Glass.
Oh, yeah.
If you put it that way.
Got the parole officer's door right there. And this place is crazy. Do you hear that? Shh. Did y'all hear that? I heard voices. Okay. What? Okay, so definitely just heard voices. But we can't find out where the voices are coming from. We are in the abandoned prison, and Theo is trying to convince us that this place is haunted, and I want to not believe him. But at this point, I have, where'd they all go? Hey, look, Sticks, I'm gonna say this one time for the vlog. If you walk off and leave me in a room by myself again, that's gonna be the end of our friendship. I guarantee you that. Theo, our friendship is new and you are not on good standings. We cannot hear voices and y'all walk off on me. No. Hell no.
We heard it, but we didn't see y'all. We got nervous.
All right.
Sometimes you gotta scare people to find them.
Okay, I feel so much better now. So we found out where those voices were coming from. There's a couple people downstairs. Best way to find if anybody's out there is just start making random noises.
Get a ghost.
And they'll start screaming, you know? Ghosts don't scream, so you try to scare people and you'll figure out who they are. Oh man, that was scary. I found the culprits behind the freak out. So they decided to show up and shoot here too. This place it's abandoned, but a couple of people are starting to find out about this place. So every now and again you might run into somebody. But I have to say, they probably gave me the best scare of the year. It's only March, but they gave me the best scare of the year. So I just wanted to give them a couple seconds of camera time. If y'all have any Instagrams y'all want to plug, feel free.
Marla.Asensio, Katia.Garcia,
T_Romo5.
Yes, go follow them and harass them, because they knew they had no business scaring your boy like that. So we've been exploring this this prison for a little bit of time. So now it's time to break out the crane and get to some cinematics. You ready? Well, we have absolutely explored the mess out of this place. I hope you guys enjoyed those shots. I wanted to put my drone up and get some drone shots for you guys too, but we are actually in a no-fly zone, so no drone shots this time. However, if you thought this video was awesome, if you love the edits and you're okay with me posting some vlogs like this every now and again, definitely hit that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, this channel is always about filmmaking gear, tips, tutorials, all that great stuff. So definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.